Hi my loves, welcome back to another video, and guess what video it is? You see the treadmill behind me? Right there. It is going to be a workout video, but what's really great about this video is, look at that. Ooh la la. So remember that we had J-Bike. I think the last video I did was J-Bike, so now we have J-Run, and I just love this product. What I really like about the product is they made working out really fun. I truly enjoy it. I tried it out and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I think it would be a lot of fun. You can make avatars, you can play with me, we can run together, we can walk together, we can ride our bikes together, or with your friends, you know. And I like their motto. So if you see on the box, it says get up and get moving. I don't know if you can see that, but I really like that concept. You know, sometimes, you know, especially with me that I have an injury and that I'm overweight, we've talked about this, you know, a few times in my videos. Sometimes you can lose motivation. Sometimes it can be just pretty difficult, but when you have like a game that you're just playing, you kind of get lost in the game. At least that's what happened to me with J-Bike. And then you can interact with other people, so you have people holding you accountable. So it's fun and it's social, so that's what I really like about it. And that's why I want to share it with you guys, and I'm hoping that you guys also play with me. If you get it, I would love for you guys to play with me. But so here's the bike, here's the packaging, which I think the aesthetic is super sleek. Inside it has the same, here's the actual sensor, similar to the bike as far as the setup. As you can see, there's like the magnetic strips there. So if you look at how the setup was on my bike, you'll be able to see that it's similar to this setup, except for this one, the one from before, you put it on your bike. This one you actually put it on your ankle, and so it'll track your movement for the J-Run and JWalk app, part of the app. So, and it's stretchy, and you just put it through the loop like this. If I can get it through the loop. And you close it, and it's Velcro, so you can. And this one fits me, and you know, I'm a little chunky, so this one fits really well, and it's stretchy, so I believe it's gonna fit pretty much everyone. So that's the sensor. So we are going to run and walk and have a lot of fun. Let's get started. Alright you guys, this is the fun part. You're gonna literally see me talking to my screen. I was having a lot of fun, especially when I seen my avatar there. If you notice, you'll see the JackFit on my ankle while I'm walking on the treadmill, and the close-up there, just so that you can have an understanding of the placement and how it actually works. Hopefully that was helpful for you. This part was really fun. I enjoyed seeing the upgrades that JackFit has with J-Run. It's new upgrades to the app, so it's really exciting to see the different scenes. I know that the scenes are definitely different from the J-Bike, and then you also have new avatars and new additions. You can also create tournaments, which I think is really fun, so you can play against your friends, and you can play with even me if you wanted. So now you can kind of see the screen a little bit better, and you can see the different scenery, and as I move, so is my avatar. And you'll also notice that in one of the other screens later on close up, well, you'll get to see my name. So if we ever run together or walk together, you'll be able to see my name, and you'll be like, oh, I just passed her, or maybe I passed you, I don't know. So yeah, this was super exciting. I had a lot of fun, especially with my little pet on my side, my pink outfit. That was a lot of fun. So yeah, I hope you guys are really enjoying this. You can definitely get them both. I recommend getting them both. They're both equally fun, and sometimes if you don't feel like, you know, walking on the mat or doing the exercises or being on the treadmill, you can just sit back, relax, and just pedal on a bike. So if you can get them both, that would be great. If you can't, just whichever one, they're equally a lot of fun. So here's just another angle of me walking and playing. It was just, I cannot tell you how much fun this was. And believe it or not, like, even though it was also fun, it was definitely cardio. I felt my heart rate for real. Like, I got tired pretty quickly, especially towards the end, but it was totally worth it. And then my knee did hurt a little bit, but it was low impact, so even though it hurt, I recovered quickly. I just finished the treadmill with the JWalk. Now we're going to do JRun, which is a accumulation of exercises that the app will guide you with. This was like a real workout. Just because it's a game, don't get it twisted, you guys. It's a real workout. I was dying in a good way. In a good way. As you'll see shortly, I'll do a close-up of the avatar that I'm following in order to get that cardio in. It was absolutely amazing. And just so you know, I left in the video parts where I would stop, and I would either stop because I was tired or my knee would hurt, and that's totally okay. Just like the motto says in JackFit, you just get up and you get moving. If you stop, it is completely okay. As you can see here, I did. I have no shame in my game. I am trying my best, and that is the most important. Each day, you just keep on moving. Oh my gosh, I just saw my facial expression. I'm really having a hard time with these lunges. But it was fun. It was definitely fun.
Jumping jacks. Let's go for the next exercise. Side to side high knees. Nice. Remember to stretch your body.
As you can see, I'm pretty much dead on the couch over there, but it was definitely worth it. I actually did a second round, so you'll see that now. I'm just gonna speed it up so that you can just see it all the way through again. It was a lot of fun again. I hope you guys try it out, and definitely comment down below and let me know if you really like it.
Mamma mia, Mama Africa, my African lady, because we are never.
What do BMU? I'm my bad gun. What come BMU? I'm my gun. What do BMU? I'm my bad gun. What come BMU? Boss, oh girl, you did make me the colo. Ha, I'm all at the colo. Oh girl, you did make me the Chris. Ha, I'm all at the Chris. It did this pretty fine girl, she looking so good. She stays so fresh and she stays so fly. She just smells so good, she did looking so nice. Body of a gutter, she my African queen. You want look at me, yo, you want more fair. Whatever you want, now I got it on deck. Whatever you need, now I got it on deck. Every time she come around, my body just a hot jobs.
Aroma, Romali, Mama Sita, you are my fantasy. Mamma mia, Mama Africa, my African lady, because we are never. Mama Sita, you are my fantasy. Mamma mia, Mama Africa.
I'm kind of thinking you my kind of girl, fine girl. You're such a beautiful girl. Why I go to leave it out to you when your love already take over my world, baby shoot. Yeah. My sweet potato with the body of a goddess. With the body of a goddess. When I see your face, I saw my heart melts like Honda. So my heart melts like Honda. You are my African queen, the girl of my dream. If no be you, now myself I deceive. I go cross the ocean for you, place no one above you. Now with you, I go end my regime. To pass it to me alone, but what you shit, yeah. Oh, yeah, open the door to your heart, taking one no life where I went out with a wife, where should he, yeah.
Romali, Mama Sita.
That was super fun. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see, like, I'm sweating a little bit. Don't look at the white hairs though. I really love JackFit. I love the J bike. I love the J run. It's really good for me. I definitely can see myself using this every day. It's a lot of fun. You break a sweat. You really break a sweat. Like, I was breaking a sweat. I feel like I burned 1,000 calories. And it's easy to do, and it's fun, and I'm gonna like harass my best friend to buy it so that we can play together. And if any of you get it, please let me know so that we can play together too. And yeah, I hope you love this video. If you have any questions or if you enjoyed the content, please comment down below. Till my next video.
There you go.